Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's Tasty Tuesday video is Zucchini Bites. If you want to see how I made these, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is 1 cup of zucchini, grated and drained well, peeled and seeds removed. 1 egg, beaten. 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. 1 clove of garlic. 2 tablespoons of onions, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes. 1 teaspoon of basil. 1 teaspoon of oregano, salt and pepper to taste, and spaghetti sauce for dipping, optional. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is peel this and take the seeds out, and then I'm going to grate this, and then we'll get all the extra moisture out. Cannot believe how much time grating this zucchini takes. And since it has to be dry, so I'll be pressing it through a sieve, I've got to do more. But one of this zucchini is definitely big enough. Cannot believe how much time grating this zucchini takes. And since it has to be dry, so I'll be pressing it through a sieve, I've got to do more. But one of this zucchini is definitely big enough. Okay, I've got it all grated, and I'm putting it in a sieve, and I'm going to press the moisture out. And this is going to take a while, but it makes it a whole lot easier for adding everything to it, making it stick into the shape you want it. I put paper towels underneath here to help get rid of the moisture, but I'm to the point where there's not much more coming out. So I'm going to put it back in here, see how much I've got, because I need 1 cup. And after the moisture's all out, it is just about 1 cup. Okay, I'm going to start mixing all this together. And basically, I'm just mixing everything together in one bowl. And there's the zucchini. And the egg. Breadcrumbs. Parmesan cheese. garlic. Onions. And the parsley flakes. The basil. Oregano. And a little salt and pepper. You know me, I gotta watch my salt. And I'm going to mix this thoroughly. I'm going to spray a cookie sheet. I have the oven preheating at 400 degrees. And I'm going to take a tablespoon of the mixture. Turn it into a nice little ball, and I'm going to put it all on the cookie sheet, and then this is going to bake for 15 to 18 minutes until it's golden brown. Okay, they're all made into little balls. They're going into the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. And for those that are new to my channel, anytime I'm working with onions, I burn a candle. It helps to keep the smell out of the air because my husband can't stand the smell of onions. And if your hands smell like onions, best way to get rid of the smell, rub your hands on a stainless steel spoon. It's amazing, but it really does take the smell right off your skin. Okay, we'll be back after they're done cooking. Okay, it's been, this took 15 minutes. They are brown on the bottom. So once these cool down, I'm going to give them a taste. Okay, it's cooled down and we're going to give it a taste. Oh, they're heavenly. And the longest part of this was grating the zucchini. I mean, these are really good, and just dump everything together and mix it up. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.